Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we will be playing Choo-Choo Charles. Yes, you heard that right. Choo-Choo Charles. Now, I have seen a couple of playthroughs of this game, but that was a long time ago, and I hardly remember anything. So yeah, don't want to keep you guys waiting. Let's hop right into it. Of
I know
course.
it's been a while since we last spoke, but something has happened at the mines I've been supervising. No, trust me, you'll want to make time for this. You're looking for something big to keep
I
your
don't remember
museum in
this.
business. Well, there's something big on that island. Real big.
I'm gonna talk
So
about like
many
that demon
friends.
train.
And even my own son are still out there. If anyone can bring this thing down, it's you. It'll be the biggest attraction your city's ever seen. And you can help an old friend. Yes, meet me on the docks at
Yeah, so it's the
sunset.
demon train.
I hope you're ready for a
Choo-Choo
little
Charles.
monster hunt.
Wait, so am I like a monster hunter or something? Yeah, I think that's what it was. I was a monster hunter and he's calling me in to exterminate this creature. Anyway, let's get into it. Oh, wait.
Yes, sir. They call him Charles. Half train, half giga spider from
Oh, I can
hell.
look around.
We've been planning his demise for some time now, and have nearly everything in order. Just a few people to meet and places to see. Simple errands, you know. Yes, sir. Welcome to Aranerum, the island where miners dig their own graves.
I like
Stay
this one, man.
close. Charles isn't the only
Cool,
thing
I'm
to
just
fear
going
around
around
here.
Should we press A? Okay. Can I jump in this? Oh, wait, I can like... Wee, 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 wee. Hello, Eugene.
There's a train shed at the top of the hill. One of the train operators was killed early on by the beast. So his old engine should, if we can get to it, it could be an indispensable tool on our journey. Stay close. We don't want to be exposed for too long.
What does he mean by that? Kill should be my spring. Okay, yeah. Yeah, the controls in the game are interesting, but alas, they might work. I definitely like the style of this game. It's a lot more old-fashioned, especially with the health bar. I like how it's like a little sketched out like a chalk line. Definitely gives me like older style games type of feeling. Can't open it. So I talk to you now? I do.
Shucks, it's locked. Not to worry, we can still find a way in.
By the way, I might skip a couple of seconds before because I'm
There's
impatient.
a small shack up the path that might have a key inside. Take this map. I just marked the location on it. See if the key is up there, and I'll look around some more down here.
Whoa. Can I zoom out? I can. Whoa. How am I supposed to explore all this? Excuse me? I should probably have set a waypoint. Oh, it's not that far away. It's not. What? X is jump. That's. Don't know if I like that. Oh yeah, key. Yippee. Yeah, like I didn't just figure out that. Figured that out. Hello, Eugene.
Good on you! Looks like you found it. Open
Hey,
up
no,
that door.
don't just
and
come in
lead the
front of me like
way.
that. That's mean. I'm gonna sneeze. This is a two-part series, by the way, everyone. This is the first two parts. That's kind of redundant that I just said that, but yeah. Also, there's no second part to the Dual Destiny. Because the recording got corrupted, so
Hey,
yeah.
that's what I'm talking about. She's an oldie but a goodie. I'm going to inspect the train's exterior. Why don't you take a peek inside? See what we got to work with.
Alright, see what we got to work with. What do we have to work with? Paint. A gun, machine gun. That's what we got to work with. Can I eat? Man, I suck at aiming. I'm just gonna skip the use part. Can I shoot my own train? Can I shoot Eugene? Eugene, why don't you just come around over here? How do I get off this thing? A bit of fidgeting later, and I found out how to get off this thing.
Well, the exterior is a little rough, but everything looks to be intact. That gun you were looking at wasn't on here when I was evacuated from the island, but it sure looks fun to use. We can light up Charles with it and take him down before he even sees us coming. Are you ready to take this thing for a spin?
Why not? And off we go.
Yeah, baby! We're coming for you, Charles! Do you hear that? It's him! It's him!
Oh my God!
Get the gun! Light him up! Light him up!
Die!
Careful! Don't let the gun overheat! He's not taking enough damage! Get some headshots!
Eugene! Eugene!
You'll need to do more than I thought, but I don't have time to bring eggs. Find my son.
Eugene! Eugene. Charles is gonna die. Vroom vroom. Hi, Eugene. Sure, I have like 5 seconds to go. I'm still gonna kill Charles, but. I really don't like this. What's that? What's that? I'm gonna go over there. I don't know if I'm paranoid from walking sounds grounded. I don't know if I'm paranoid from the walking sounds and grounded. Oh. Optional. Oh. Okay. Wait, rail switching? Oh, hold up. What's going on here? Okay, so it's currently going left. I want it to go right. Those are my own footsteps. I feel like I'm just paranoid from grounded. I don't like that noise though. Maybe I'll make a grounded video one day, but if you've ever played grounded, it sounds like a little spider walking. Next video, maybe I'll have some live commentary from a friend of mine, of course. Yeah. Alright, anyway, I'll meet you guys when we get there, or if something interesting happens. Ooh, what's this? Scrap money. Oh, hi!
The monster hunter has arrived, I see. This is no ordinary hunt, mind you. We've already tried fighting Charles, but he retreats into the wilderness if he is sufficiently harmed. We believe there may be a way to get Charles to commit to a mortal battle, however. Dispersed around the island are 3 eggs, locked in the island's 3 primary mines. Our theory is that putting these eggs in the temple at the center of the island will provoke Charles into a fight to the death. Unfortunately, the mining company owner, Warren Charles III, has placed armed guards inside each mine to protect the eggs. There's an egg in the mine just down the rail. Here's the key to the mine. I've marked the entrance on your map.
This is called Charlie. Now, doesn't that mean, like, this was Charles? I also like to point out, like, this is what I was talking about earlier. I really like how it's, like, drawn on. It's funny. Can we get other paint cans? Because there's, like, a entire shelf here. I think I remember that being a thing. I'm not sure. I can't. Can I actually? Stop!
Hey everyone, Editing Bryson here. Yeah, so like I said, I'm sick. I lost the recording, so I'm gonna have to finish recording next time for this part. And, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.